days, it seems everyone is looking for the proverbial fountain of youth, willing to pay a small fortune for expensive medication and surgical procedures. Well, today, I have some good news that may allow you to forego those expensive and risky alternatives and still achieve the same anti-aging benefits. Hi, my name is Dr. Anna Lepeley, and as the co-host of a health radio talk show and frequent lecturer at health conferences throughout the country, I'm always on the lookout for new supplements that can actually deliver real anti-aging results. Unfortunately, most of the anti-aging supplements that you'll find in your local health food store are nothing more than hyped up multivitamins. And that is why I was so surprised when I came across Genf20+, a 100% natural anti-aging supplement backed by real clinical results. Now, it's no secret that your levels of human growth hormone decline as you age, and this decline directly contributes to the signs of growing old that include loss of muscle tone, decreased energy, and saggy skin, just to name a few. And until recently, there were very few scientifically proven ways to increase your HGH levels that were readily available and safe, which is why I was so impressed when I read the clinical study results for Genf20+. The clinical study offers factual evidence that Genf20's formulation promotes measurable increases in your natural levels of HGH, helping to stop and reverse the signs of aging without any unpleasant side effects. So if you're looking for a natural and safe way to look younger and restore the energy and muscle tone you once had, I would enthusiastically recommend this incredible supplement. As I said previously, before I reviewed the clinical evidence, I was very skeptical when I first started hearing the buzz about Genf20+. But when you use it as directed, I think you'll agree the results really speak for themselves.